first one.
Yep. Yes.
So my name is Peter. I come from the UK. I've been living in Cebu 6 years, going on 7 years, and married to Panay for 30 years. I was always doing photography, and during COVID took up watercolor. My work sometimes is hybrid, but my work today is obviously watercolor, and I've just used ink on top to highlight and bring forward some of the structures. Of course, of the new creative
Urban Sketchers community.
because Koya Alive, he is the one who introduced me. Met him actually during Turbo Art Fair 2.5 years ago, and he's really been encouraging me to get into watercolor.
Follower ko ni Sir Alvin ban kansa yang pay yang mura yang interesting ba like wala ni sa malang dili ka tema basta lang point nila para lang mo develop.
Oh, welcome lang po tanan.
For pencil pen lang din for pencil lang para lang bata. So na ay life gamay ang gawin.
Hi, I'm Anne. I discovered urban sketchers through my mentor years after. And my medium is for now, pen and ink and watercolor.
Thank you. We were able to discover Urban Sketchers and then this one, your artwork. Kung sa imong medium gigamit. I need the materials. I discovered Urban Sketchers by Sir Albert. I use oil on canvas.
Hi, I am Sarah Lazada. I am from Milan, Thailand. And ganahan ko sa iyang journey ka ng doon kaya ang iyang journey meron ka ng ganahan ko mag-join so bigyan na-improve na ko ang kagalingan ako. Akong gigamit sa watercolor. So nga, memorable akong pag-arrange.